Alright, welcome back. We are back on the Taylor Dunn. I have absconded with some schematics. And if you're watching the other videos, you know I put three 12-volt Reliant lithium ion batteries in here. And there was an extra wire over here. So that is what they call here, is what they call a tap. So basically on the original battery, there's two 6-volts, so they're coming off here with the green, and that basically breaks this out to a single 12-volt for power. To feed all 12-volt accessories like the headlights, taillights, horn, all that stuff. So I don't have that hooked up right now, so none of that stuff is working. It was nice that I could find that to clarify what that was. It's what I assumed it was, but I wasn't 100% sure. So we are going to have to take that wire and have to remove it from this side. Just cut it and we'll pull it back through. Going to unhook the battery first, or the ground or something, and then we'll re-terminate that on the first battery here on the ground of the first battery. So it'll give me a 12-volt for the accessories, and that should fix that problem. So let's get to work. Alright, so I got these cleaned up. Getting these cleaned up. Here's the diode. There's a little copper plate that somebody used. Now I'm cleaning up the nuts and the star washer. See how well that goes. Yeah, rocking along. Alright, next thing we got to do is fix this dash light. The headlights, this came out. This is garbage. Scotch lock central. So I don't have a square switch. All I have is a Carling. It won't fit in there. It won't come through the top. So what I'm going to do is, there's a spare hole right here. I'm just going to mount it right here temporarily, since there's already a hole. It'll fit perfect in there. So my battery's going dead. I'll try to bring it back when I'm done with this, and we'll proof out everything, make sure it works. Alright, we got it all done. It all works. That's pretty cool. I'm happy. First try. So let's see. Well, unfortunately, all of it does work. Turn the key on, strobe does work. Horn works. Cat just left. And the lights work. Actually, the cat didn't even budge. I don't have brake lights, so I'm thinking that's the switch. There's a brake light switch somewhere in here. I'll have to check on that. I believe it's somewhere. I don't think it was an option, but I'll have to find it. So yeah, everything's working, including the annoying strobe. Enough of that. So anywho, yeah. Oh, and here's the, had to put the switch here, like I said, because the, I don't have one of these square hole switches. I'll have to get one. That works. Horn works. Everything is controlled by the key. If the key isn't on, none of it works. So that's cool. So the old Dunn and Dunner is working. Done. Finished. Still trying to figure out what I want to do as far as the motivation for this thing. Motivation. It's so clean. It's so original. It's 36 volt. You know, everything works. It's all in really good shape. So I found one wire. It looked like some rat or something chewed on it right here. I got to cover that up. Other than that, you know, it is really clean. It does like 8 miles an hour. I don't know. I'm just running around the yard with it, so I don't know. 48 volts swapping this thing. The motor is a 24 to 36. Some of these came with 36 48s where you could run either or. I got to make some calls. I got the number off the motor, but if I got to do a motor, controller, 3 solenoids, I already have the batteries. Actually, I already have the controller. I don't have the controller that'll bolt right in where this one is, which would be nice. But I could sell the other one. I don't know. I'm going to ponder on it. If you guys have any opinions or options or thoughts, put them down below. I'm open to suggestions because I don't know. It works now, so I don't want to go tearing it apart and getting a lot of work done to it. The wife doesn't want me to mess with it. She just wants me to use it as is. But thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions or concerns, put them below, and we'll see you in the next one.